Alright, you guys, after grading your Chapter 3 homework, I thought I'd do a little video on supply and demand. Actually, it'll probably be a couple of videos. First, we're going to start off with the basics of the supply and demand curve if you're drawing them out. First, make sure you put your axes on here. Always on the horizontal axis will always be quantity. So make sure quantity is down there and price is up here on your vertical axis. When you're doing the supply and demand curve, remember that your demand curve is going to be downward sloping. It's downward sloping due to the law of demand, which states that as price goes up, then your quantity demanded is going to go down. That makes sense, right? If a price of whatever you're buying goes up, you're going to buy less of it. Okay, so that makes your demand curve always downward sloping. That means your supply curve is going to be the upward sloping curve. And it's due to the law of supply, where as price goes up, then your quantity supplied is going to go up. So for a business, if you can now sell your good for a higher price, you're going to sell more of them, right? You're going to want to sell more of them. So, and the opposite of all this is true. As for demand, as price goes down, you're going to demand more of it. Cheaper, you're going to demand more. And if price goes down, businesses are going to supply less. So that makes our supply and demand curves look the way that they do. Anytime that you're doing a supply and demand problem, draw this out. This is where you start. You also start with putting our equilibrium, which is where they meet, and finding our equilibrium quantity, which is right here, and equilibrium price. Any time you have a problem, start out with this. Draw this out. And then we'll go on to shifting our supply and demand curves.